Okay, so good morning everybody, and welcome to this very interesting VR entrepreneurship game. The game will happen in the future in Mars, and you will be responsible to run your own business on Mars. It's quite small shop, but you will learn a lot of things about how to set up the right prices and how actually the Mars environment influence the businesses, or it will be influencing the business in the future if you will be proprietor of the Mars shop. So in your teams you will be split it into different roles with different responsibilities. First, there will be, of course, manager. So manager will be responsible to coordinate the whole team. There will be a lot of work for you. So it's very important to measure time. You will be limited by time. So you have only 20 minutes to finish the game. When the time is end, the game finish, and we will count your actual revenue or profit. You have to learn a lot about Mars environment. So there are some weather conditions, we can call it like this, which will influence your business. There will be some event like annual Martian celebration, anniversary. There will be a lot of other events which will happen on Mars, and you have to learn how these events influence your business on Mars. So there will be advisors. You will be responsible to read this text about Mars conditions, and then advise the product master how to change the price, because sometimes people will buy like crazy, sometimes they will not buy at all. So this is your responsibility to find the best way how to set up the price. There will be entrepreneurship advisor, and it's quite similar to what we are doing here on planet Earth. So that means we are trying to find the best profit. You have to set up the right prices to sell as much as possible. If you have too much higher prices, of course, you will sell just a few pieces of your product. If you have a really cheap product, you can imagine that you will sold out all your stock. So this is entrepreneurship advisor, and then there will be product masters. You will have 6 products during the game, which you have to handle, and product like hydrogen, oxygen, space bread, and so on and so on. And your responsibility will be to track the price you set up, the amount you buy actually, and you have to calculate the best profit and try to find the really best price according to the event, what will happen on Mars, and according to the amount you will sold out. So each product master will receive one sheet, and you have to trace your product. And that's it. So it's quite simple. We will give you this kind of role descriptions, so you can even decide which roles fits you the best, and or you can just make it random. So you just take one paper and that's it. I didn't mention the VR headset. The game, there will be one guy who will wear this VR headset, and there is quite simple environment where you can just adjust prices, start a new round or finish the round, and the system will automatically calculate how much profit you generate for this round. So you have to communicate with your colleagues. You have to tell them actual stock which you will see, because this is something your colleague don't know. So you have to communicate them and describe the number or the amount of the goods you will see in the virtual reality. You have to report it, and of course you have to be aware of the event, so there will be message for you. For example, the dust storm is coming, so your guys, your advisor will definitely help you to understand what you should do or what you should change. So that's it for the introduction, and I will give you this